At first I draw inverse U, then draw another letter U, draw another U, after draw number 3, then draw another 3. Now draw letter V shape. Now draw its eye. 2 eye. Big one is white and the small one also white. Now draw its happy shape. Now I color it. So dear friends, now I draw it color. You can also draw different color. So dear friends, if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe our channel and comment this video. You must be hype this video and this video share with your friend or anybody. Thanks for watching our video. Please enjoy this video.